Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate your autoresponder. So if you come down here on your account tab to integrations, while that's pulling up, we'll come over here to this tab too. I have another tab open. Take just a second here to load. Okay, when you get over to this page here, if you see up here in the corner there's a green plus sign. If you pull that up, it's going to pull up most of the popular autoresponders and integration programs, and a lot of these is just as simple as clicking on the provider like Aweber, for example, and then just giving it a name. So you go like test, for example, and then connect the integration. It's going to want you to log in or provide an API. See, this here is just asking to log in to get it integrated, and then hit that connect integration. After it logs in, you're going to give it permission to connect with Clickfunnels, and then from there you'll come over here to your opt-in page, integrations, under your settings, and then you're going to select that integration. So for example, we'll use MailChimp, add to list, or add to list segment, whatever the option is there, and then whatever your list name is. And then if you go over there because you forgot to add the list or something and you end up adding it, you can always click this refresh from API, and that'll refresh the lists in there, so you don't have to like log out and come back in. And that's pretty much how you connect your autoresponder. Once you click on this, you'll get a green light here. If you make a mistake and need to change it, there will be just a little tab here. You just click remove integration and just go through this process again.